Hello to Polio24. On my watch journey to China to Seagull and Red Star in April 2025, I discovered many new watches and also this new edition of the famous Red Star Airforce Chronograph 38mm. And here it is. This is the golden dial, the very classic acrylic crystal like in 1963, 18mm bandwidth. This is the stopper, start, stop and back, reset. And this is very famous. This is the new decorated ST19 movement. So you can see the Red Star engraving and decoration. They polished and decorated many parts of this seagull movement, and you can see the chronograph wheel turning. And here you have the swan neck fine regulation, and this is the column wheel. So you can see it here working. And this watch with the very classic dial, I visited Seagull, the Seagull factory in Tianjin, and also noticed the first Chinese Air Force chronograph from 1963. I will put some pictures of the watch in the description of this model. And so this is the reissue of this famous Chinese Air Force watch. It comes with textile straps, and this is the high quality Rios bio leather strap. You can choose your favorite color or the metal strap. And I hope you enjoy this new watch made by Red Star with the seagull movement as much as we do.